In this video, you're going to see how I made this exact game in 30 minutes. Sounds exciting? Well, stick to the end of the video to find out how I exactly made it. So I started the timer, then went to my drawing application, started drawing stuff. So I basically had an idea in my mind, not very clear, actually not at all clear, but I thought it seemed pretty cool. So I just stuck with my gut and tried to do it. So I was thinking to have something like the gun's pointer, and the pointer would be the player, and you would have to shoot asteroids in outer space. Yeah, I know it sounds cool. Now, I was also feeling very excited at this point, but I didn't know what pressure awaited me. So then I just drawing, still drawing. Actually, 15 minutes or so went into drawing. But I have made it into an epic time lapse so that you guys don't get bored. So anyways, now I thought that the pointer was pretty good, so I saved it. Then I started making an asteroid which looked like an omelette that was made badly. So anyways, I started filling color because I didn't have enough time to make it correct. So you'll have to play omelette scrambled asteroid. Okay, that didn't sound cool. Anyways, after adding a bit of color, it looked kind of cool though, so I hope you guys will like it. Then I dragged them both into Unity and sized the pointer. So I think you might have started to get the idea of what I am pointing towards. Like, this is the gun pointer, and you can move him around and you can shoot the asteroids that come from outer space. Yeah, I was also feeling very cool at the moment. I was feeling very cool and excited. So now I was basically just starting Visual Studio. It took an eternity, I think, almost eternity. Then after that, I started doing some epic coding. I changed the camera's color because that color, I don't like that color at all. Anyways, I went back to coding, and guess what? I had forgotten to multiply everything with speed. So the player went as slow as a snail for some time. So now I was basically making the spawners, then the asteroid, doing a bunch of stuff here. So I basically had the idea that from these three spawners that asteroids would get spawned and they would travel to the right direction. Not the right direction, the right direction. I don't know whether you get it, but anyways, to the right. So I thought the asteroids would travel to the right. This is the exact time when the pressure was getting to me because there were only 12 minutes left. And failure pressured me even more. I was absolutely pressured. I didn't know what to do. The script was not working. And this is the exact time when man takes wrong decisions. But I didn't take any wrong decisions. I did everything correctly. Haha. Okay, I messed up the timer that would spawn the asteroids. So if you don't know what timer I am talking about, it's going to be made in some time, so just wait a minute. I did a bit of play testing and then I started on the timer that would spawn the asteroids. So here is the exact time when I made the timer that would spawn the asteroids. And I was getting absolutely pressured, so pretty pressured. I was catching every minute that I could by stopping the clock just so slightly whenever there was a loading screen. And then I forgot to start the timer. Not the timer that I made, the timer of the Google for some time. Actually 2-3 minutes only. When I remembered, I started it again and everything was alright. Then I did some more epic coding. I didn't know why there were so many asteroids being spawned together at one time, but I was trying to make it correct. Anyways, this time again it went west. It didn't go correctly at all this time. Okay, it took loads of time for me to make it correct. I could have done loads of polishing in this time, but yeah, this is the exact point where it became absolutely correct. Then I took some more time. I took 10 minutes more to add some polish and 5 minutes more to add a challenge. Then I set up the itch.io page. So right now I play tested it one last time and then I set up the itch.io page, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. Thank you so much. Then I started the game and voila, we are done. The game is done. It looks amazing. There's a whole lot of post processing for you guys to think it looks amazing. Actually, it is good to play, but not absolutely amazing. Anyways, that was it for this video. That was it for me. I made a game in 30 seconds.